Vision. CPEC is a dynamic institute of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of RA 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality Policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institute of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality education, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services to meet the increasing stakeholder requirements through continual improvement on its quality management system. To achieve this, the PSC shall 1. Deliver quality service to the stakeholders. 2. Adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards. 3. Adopt changes in the educational system as required by law. 4. Force agreement with other SOCs and line agencies locally and internationally. 5. Update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members. 6. Improve its case processes and procedures in delivering quality instruction and relevant research, extensions, and production services. 7. Pursue continual improvement on quality management system for higher learning institute and partner in sustainable development. Objectives. 1. To offer excellent and relevant baccalaureate degree program in agriculture. 2. To produce quality instructional material relevant to the degree program. 3. To inculcate moral values for total human development. 4. To produce quality researches relevant to local, regional, and national development goals. 5. To package generated agricultural technologies for farmers, fisherfolk, and other stakeholders. 6. To promote relevant agricultural technologies for improved quality of life.